In this video, you'll learn how to effectively start learning Python programming as a beginner. By following these steps, you will build a strong foundation in Python that will enable you to tackle more complex programming tasks in the future. Begin by understanding the basics of Python. This language is renowned for its simple syntax and versatility in various applications, from web development to data analysis. Start by familiarizing yourself with fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, and simple commands. To gain foundational knowledge, read beginner tutorials or watch educational videos dedicated to Python. As you learn, practice writing simple code examples. This hands-on approach will help you grasp how Python operates in real-world situations. After you have a solid grasp of the basics, move on to writing small programs to enhance your skills. Consider creating simple applications such as calculators or basic text-based games. Regular practice is crucial as it reinforces what you learn from tutorials or courses. Experiment with loops, functions, and basic problem-solving exercises. Each programming task you complete will build your confidence and improve your coding abilities. Consistency in practice is one of the most effective ways to become proficient in programming. Once you feel comfortable with fundamental programming concepts, it's time to work on real projects. Start with small projects like creating simple games. These projects allow you to apply your knowledge in practical scenarios, which is essential for deepening your understanding. Building projects will also enhance your problem-solving skills, as you will learn how different components of a program interact with each other. Sharing your projects with fellow learners can offer valuable feedback and insights, further aiding your development as a programmer. As you complete more projects, you will notice growth in your skills and confidence. Each project presents new challenges and learning opportunities. Embrace the process of solving these challenges, as each one contributes to your programming journey. Remember to seek out resources and communities that can support you as you learn. Engaging with others can provide motivation and help you stay on track. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.